Hello friends, my name is Vinayak and in this video I am going to say you how does torrent work. So let's begin. Normally we download our required files directly from the servers. For example, if I want to download Windows OS, I have to go to Microsoft website and I have to download that particular file from there. But in this case, there is communication taken between the server and the client or device. Means there will be only one server and there will be multiple clients or devices connected to one server. But it is not in the case of torrent. Here each device works as a server and a client at the same time. Now how is it possible? Let me give you an example. Okay, assume that Vinayak want to share a cracked version of Windows OS, but he doesn't has as strong server as Microsoft has because he cannot afford to buy one. But he can do that same task by going to a torrent hosting website, and he can create a torrent link of that particular file from there, and he can share that link to the whole world or particularly to his friends to whom he want to share it. Okay, now assume that he shared that file to a person named Suraj. Now once Suraj clicks and start downloading that file that is present in Vinayak's computer starts to get uploaded to Suraj's computer automatically. Okay, now what if Suraj shares that same link with a guy named Chetan? Okay, now Chetan receives that same file from two people. Those are Vinayak and Suraj. But how is it possible? Since Suraj does not have that complete file, but he has some part of it, right? If he has downloaded nearly 10% of that file, then he starts to upload that 10% to Chetan automatically. Okay, what if Chetan shares that file with his friends? Now this whole cycle will repeat again and again. Now there are some keywords. Okay, those are active seeders, and leechers. Now active seeders are those who have the complete file but they have not turned their internet off so that the file can be uploaded to the required ones. Okay, from the above example that I have given you before, that's Vinayak who is uploading the file and he has the complete file, right? Now there are leechers. Who are the leechers now? Leechers are no one but the persons who download the file from the seeders. From the example, it's no one but Chetan. Now there is another guy, right, who is Suraj. Suraj is downloading as well as uploading that file at the same time. Okay, he is a leecher as well as seeder at the same time because he uploads the file whatever he has downloaded to the other persons who are in need of it, right? So there is no requirement of very big servers or high speed internet because each and every person who is connected in the torrent ecosystem starts to upload that file which he is downloading after he has downloaded a particular part of it. So there is no need of very high-end servers and all. so torrents are used. Okay, now is torrent legal? Yes, it's totally legal, but the file that is being shared with the help of torrent should not contain any kind of copyright issues. Now, for example, Vinayak is sharing operating system of Windows which is licensed by Microsoft. If he gets caught, he may be punished or he may be fined. We can share the file in a very low intensity, but if we do that in bulk, we are definitely going to get punished for doing that. So use torrent safely and have fun for free, as we all know that we get lot of paid things in torrent for absolutely no cost. So use at your own risk, and you know that which kind of files have some copyright issues and which doesn't. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you dislike this video, please dislike, and if possible, please provide some feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.